I'm video camera.
Take a camera.
Take a picture from the bike. Take a picture all the way up so we can see where the camera.
Yeah.
You almost have to let it in mingle too much into this fence.
I don't know what.
You sold the whole thing.
I know. I got it slow motion in my brain, man. Should have never waved it
scary.
by.
Pretty scary.
Watching somebody, exactly what he did was he hit the brakes going into the curve too fast.
Didn't pull the air like you did?
Yes.
Oh, well, you hit the stop.
They're talking where he's at now.
You hurt in your shoulders and stuff? I can get her off. Let me go through. Okay. Allison 9 to SO. Let Airvac know that they are canceling the Airvac for this patient.
Oh, the helicopter boys got a little riding going on.
Not that long. Marvin, we're all, you don't know this corner. Look right at the front.
What do you think is rear brake?
Yeah, I did.
They got it set up. Don't worry about it, okay?
Just lean back against these cords. They're not going to let you fall, okay? Then we're all going to let you back. Let your head come back with your body, okay?
I can imagine now if the guy his size or something got infected with that like that or something, gets belligerent, it might be a little hard to deal with. And you never know that it could be just this one of them that you can know to get it too, but you know if exactly. You know too? No, I know it don't. Oh, okay. Too bad Robert wasn't. He's been around several times. He's firefighter. You know Robert.
Hop off. There was one on it earlier. I'm pretty sure.
Very tip of the back there.
Which pockets are on?
No. It's not on the ground, is it?
It's not here either.
Look on the ground. See if it's somewhere on the ground.
Here you go, sir. Yeah.
Yes. And helmet.
Helmet's over here on the ground.
Yeah, because they need an X-ray in the helmet.
Oh, the X-ray help?
He wasn't drinking.
Thank God he had drugs.
They actually picked that up.
The wrong spot.
They picked that up over there and threw it over here and said you shouldn't drink when you drive, and kind of played with them.
I told him to quit that drinking and riding.
They all had places, but I don't see where it's at. No idea.
Well, you was behind him. Where did he go off at? I'm saying, where did he go off at?
No, he wasn't. He hit the brake and he just lost it. He hit the brake and got a little
I thought a deer ran in front of him.
Hit the brake.
Stick around. The people gonna work this wreck. He's on his way.
What kind of helmet is that?
Since he was a little bit
Does it protect his head from the track?
I was gonna ask about that.
This man in the ditch and he threw it up there. I mean, you could take the kids tonight and just drink them.
Do you respond to this many motorcycle wrecks in this area?
Yeah, lots of wrecks, motorcycles, trucks, cars.
I was gonna say horses, mountain climbers.
How many horses?
No, they pulled one out. That was a mountain climber, somebody that fell off a mountain or something in here somewhere. That was 2 years ago. It was Big Flat that used their brand new rescue equipment.
Yeah, I remember.
I'm the one that did the fundraiser and got them all that equipment. $14,000 we raised that summer, and for all of that facility in part of Marion.
Yeah.
That was a good job.
Well, you guys are local.
How did it feel trying to help out your first accident victim?
Wait.
Just going on YouTube. How did it feel helping out your first accident victim? Not fun? Scary? Scary?
No, and not till after he was taken. That's the weird part. My adrenaline and all that nervousness did not happen till he got in there.
He was choking on his helmet. I released the strap. And then he got drained. He was totally unconscious for at least 4 minutes.
Did you happen to see the wreck at all?
Another 4 minutes before he
Carl?
started talking. He was completely out.
behind it.
Came in behind it.
Did you?
No, I didn't.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, that's okay. Hey.
I thought they were just pulling over to let the rest of them pass.
I thought right away. I thought something I didn't like.
Yes, I am interviewing on the scene. This is my first bike ride crash YouTube video.
How many minutes will that record?
I don't know. It's up to 8 minutes right now.
I wouldn't think it could score that much, but maybe it can.
I got a 1 gigabyte card in here.
I'm not sure if they're going to let you.
I've got it. I was scared he was going to jump on it and do something
I don't think
stupid.
that's driving.
It's not. We got a guy come up here the truck and trailers.
Oh, you got a guy coming?
Yeah, we got somebody coming.
Where y'all from?
Yeah, we'll stay with it.
From everywhere. I'm from Franklin, Arkansas.
That's where we're at now.
Oh, this guy. How are you, sir? I'm doing good. How are you? Where you been? Franklin.
I don't have long hair no more.
I don't recognize you either. I should have known it was you guys.
We were riding behind.
Oh,
We watched him go. We watched the whole thing.
another story for your classmates, huh? I don't think they ever run out of stories.
I don't know, but I'm glad that I noticed it when I came up on it.
You did good.
You couldn't believe how you strapped
Yeah, that was us.
Ambulance has left yet, still in the ambulance.
We got another thing going on up at
First bike in 04.
April. No, May. Yeah. May 5th. 4 hours, 10 days.
Yeah, but all this stuff, first the one, that's all the others, tornado and flood. What's next?
What river is it?